Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share this cute little Halloween set with you, so let's go ahead and get started. I already went ahead and I did dip nails. I do a lot of dip nails. They're fun, they're easy, and I just like them. So what I used was Wavegel, acrylic, and dip, and I will have this information below. I really like this color because it goes with a lot of things, and I wanted to do like a pink and black Halloween set. When I'm working with crystals, I always start off by laying my crystal design out first. It just makes it so much easier. I use the I Hold Precision gel tip, and when working with this, I always like to put a little bit of the precision gel where I'm going to work, and I just go ahead and I start placing my crystals. And this gel, I love it because of the precision tip. It's just so easy to work with when applying crystals. I'm going to do my first spider set up here and then my second one down there. I'm just freestyling this, guys. You can go ahead and freestyle as well. There's no perfection to this. You kind of just put your crystals when you're doing spiders where you want. So I want one facing this way, one facing that way, like they're, walking away from each other. So that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and cure it. And now I'm going to use my nail art gel polish. And once again, I'll have all this information down below. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start making the spider legs. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started on my scream face. And first I like to do an outline to kind of give myself an idea of how to outline, even though you don't need to do this, because really what you're doing is you're doing an upside down pinball. So it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. Just kind of go along with, the shape, the outline. You're going to start off at the top with a circle, and then you're going to just bring it down and narrow it towards the bottom. But I just kind of like to do the cross outline first to kind of give me an estimate. And once you do that, just start filling everything in. And then at the end, if you need to come back and just kind of fine tune around any edges, you go ahead and do that. I'm happy with how this looks. I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Usually for this step, I would take a little marble nail plate and use it, but I threw mine out. It was a little old, so I'm just using a Post-it and I'm applying some gel on the Post-it, just basically any flat surface that you need that you are okay putting gel on. And I'm going to get my marble tool and I'm going to do the eyes and the mouth. And we start off with a little bit more gel on the bottom, and then we just pull it up to the top. And with the mouth, you're going to kind of do the same thing. You're going to start more on the bottom and you're just going to pull it up to the top. And once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and make the nose, and it's kind of like a little bit of an upside down heart. You can do that, or you can just do a kind of triangle. It's up to you how you want the nose to look. There are different styles you can use. I'm doing a triangle. Now I'm going to use my stickers, and I have a whole bunch of stickers. You can use whatever you like here. I'm going to stick to a specific theme, but you can use whatever you'd like. And I'm just going to start freestyling my stickers and applying them in various spots. And once I'm happy, I'll go ahead and cure it. Add some oil to just really give it that beautiful shine. And I'm so in love with this set. I think it's so cute. I really like my scream face and my spiders. I love the little 3D spiders. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask below. Thank you and bye.